Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we're bringing you a freshly minted Vermilion Fire XY GT Replica. This car is running a 4V 400 horsepower 351 Cleveland, just built, and it has got a top loader gearbox and a 9-inch diff. I'll have all the details on the website. I'm just trying not to get run over. But yeah, just basically brand new Vermilion. Very nice car, and a really nice entry point into GT replicas. I'll just pop the bonnet and show you under the bonnet. So you can see that it's a 4V motor, Wayand 4V 351 high-rise manifold, 750 double pumper, metal shaker, so proper metal shaker, and then you've got your fan shroud. It's a square block 351. I'll have all the specs on the website, but basically freshly done. And just put this down, and on the inside, basically brand new, all retrimmed, new carpet, crash pad, door cards, GT steering wheel. It's got the AM/FM modern radio, but basically just like brand new. All the rubbers basically brand new. So there you go. Very nice machine. We'll turn it on and we'll go for a just get a listen to the car driving part. Turn it on. There we go. Now you can hear it drive off, and very healthy 351. So that's got some go, 400 horsepower. So, oh, look at that, looks like it's coming down Conrod. Look at that. That's a beast. Beautiful. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful Vermilion Fire XY GT Replica, give Mike Selby a call, Australian Muscle Car Sales, and thank you for watching Australian Muscle Car TV. Here she comes again. Beautiful.